Well, education is all about reading, writing, and arithmetic, but it should be more than that, a lot more. Our next guest is here to explain. He's John Cristani with Internet Jet Set. Now, you want to stimulate our educational system. Please explain exactly how you're going to do that.
Well, basically, college is really expensive and teachers are underpaid, so we just figured there's a big disconnect there, and we sought to change that.
All right, so in changing that, are you looking to make education free?
Yes. So, me and my partner were kind of looking at things from, just a first principles perspective, and we just thought education should be free, it should be super fun, and you should be able to do it from home.
And can you earn like diplomas through this program, through this process?
So that's part of our goal. Not currently, but we're trying to work with major universities to really make that happen. I mean, it just kind of makes sense.
Absolutely. Now, if you are successful in this endeavor, wouldn't that put teachers or schools out of business?
No, dude.
Come on.
Exactly the opposite. We're trying to help teachers as much as possible. If you look at the average college education of $100,000 that people pay, very little of that actually makes it to the teacher.
Right.
We want to empower teachers. We want teachers to be the center focus. We want to flip the whole percentage, and I think teachers should be the highest paid individuals in our society.
Absolutely. Now, you are very successment in your endeavors, in your business endeavors. What led you to go for education and try to enhance the educational system?
I went to business school, and I did 4 years of business school, and honestly, I didn't feel it served me too well. I got most of my education just by doing things. So I think the education system needs to keep up more, and I wanted to do something to change it, man.
Absolutely. Now, when you, I'm speaking into existence,
you
are successful,
I like that.
I'm pretty sure that companies like Facebook and Google are going to want a piece of the action. How do you compete with those big companies?
Sure. We're very different than them. They're trying to be everything for everybody. So that they're big social platforms, whereas we're much more specific. We're very different from them. They're already in the education space, but they don't get it, and they're not doing it right, and they can't move into our space for reasons I won't go into.
I got you. Now, who is your target audience? Is it for young people? Is it for college students? Is it for everyone? Who can take part?
Our target audience, like kind of the core people we're starting with, are people that really want actionable things they can do to really make money and learn business skills, because things are evolving so fast nowadays, and the types of businesses that can make people successful, we're focused on that at first.
Absolutely. I tell young people all the time, a formal education will make you a living. A self-education will make you a fortune.
100%.
And it seems like you are definitely on this track to empower young people. Now, when we talk about it, is that you want to make it free. How is this successful if everything is free?
So all the lectures, all the exercises, all of that's free. I mean, it's video, it just makes sense, it's free. But if you want interaction with a teacher, if you want, group trainings, if you want them to grade your stuff and look over your stuff, that costs money, because that's their time.
Right.
So, that's
and teachers are on board with this.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Huh?
They can, thousands of students all over the world
are already implemented in this program.
It's already implemented. I'm living proof.
That is amazing, man.
Yeah.
Congratulations, and thank you for your efforts in our educational system. I'm always loving a good thrill and a good bump. If you need to learn more about taking education to the next level, you can go to johncristani.com to learn more about Internet Jet Set.